Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we start with the first essay from your syllabus. Now the first thing I want you to do is draw a picture related to this topic. The topic of your first essay is morning walk and its benefits. So regarding this topic you will draw some relatable pictures on the first page of your copy, and then in the next page you write the essay. Let me explain the essay to you first. Benefits of morning walk. A breath of fresh air early in the morning does not only make our mind fresh but also keep us healthy. Taking regular walks increases the rate of our body metabolism. Now, a breath of fresh air every day, every morning, when you first wake up, it is very healthy for you. It keeps you fit. Okay. Taking regular walks increases the rate of your body metabolism. The way your body works becomes much fluent, much easier if you go for a morning walk every day in the morning. The way your body functions gets better and better, so that your body functions properly every day. Sometimes we tend to feel lethargic throughout the day, even after we have slept 8 hours. In that case, if we start our day with barely 20 to 30 minutes of walk, it can do miracle to the rest of our day. Here, this sentence means that what is the meaning of lethargic? Lethargic means tired and gloomy, and you don't have that energy to do the whole day work. So sometimes it happens that you have slept for a long time. Suppose you go to sleep at 10 and you wake up in the morning at 9. So you're getting a very good amount of sleep, more than 8 hours. And you should feel very energetic the whole day, but you don't. You feel very lethargic and very tired, and you don't feel like working. You have lack of energy. So if you go for a morning walk for bare minimum of 20 to 30 minutes every day, early in the morning, you get that fresh air and good vibes. So that gives you energy. That gives energy to your mind to work. It helps your body to work. Okay. Studies have also shown that taking regular walks also reduces the risk of heart diseases in adults. It also keeps the blood sugar level on check. Have you ever gone for a morning walk? If you have not, please go one day. You will see it is not only for young people to stay fit and healthy. Many old people, many adults, many aged people are also going for morning walks. Even if they're not walking really fast and running, they're just walking in the morning. Okay, that helps to keep their body well, their health well, because when with your age comes in many diseases like heart diseases and your blood sugar and everything. This morning walk and this morning air, fresh air, keeps your body diseases checked. Okay. So the heart disease that is very prone in adults, that reduces, and so does the blood sugar level. Now, next paragraph. In the busy schedule of our daily lives, if we can take out some time in the morning to go for a walk and get a little closer to Mother Nature, we can see a beautiful fresh atmosphere which has not yet been polluted. So all of us know that with the growing rate of human beings and the population, the consumption of petrol and everything is also increasing. That is in some way or in direct way rendering to the pollution in our atmosphere. But early in the morning when you wake up, you see the atmosphere is very fresh. Birds cooing, then air blowing, wind blowing. Okay, so it's a very pleasant nature early in the morning. So if you go out and you see, it's very beautiful to stay among Mother Nature. Okay, and you will not feel that pollution, that dust and smoke and the gas of that car vehicles, the smoke that comes out, that will not bother you early in the morning. Okay, the serenity gives a peace of mind. You know, when we are sitting in a quiet room or in a quiet place or walking through a quiet place, it calms our mind. Our mind is not disturbed or busy thinking of something or the other. It is very peaceful. Okay. But mostly it helps us stay fit and energetic all the time. So, morning walk has its own benefit. Until and unless you go out and you experience that breath of fresh air rushing by your face, you will not realize what benefits morning walk does. Try it once. You will know how much beneficial it is for your regular life. It gives you an amazing start to the day. Okay, you will feel very energetic. You will feel like your day starts in a very good way. Okay, so here goes the essay. I will just read the full essay once so that the pronunciations are proper, so that you can pronounce the words very properly. Pay attention. A breath of fresh air early in the morning does not only make our mind fresh but also keep us healthy. Taking regular walks increases the rate of our body metabolism. Sometimes we tend to feel lethargic throughout the day, even after we have slept 8 hours. In that case, if we start our day with barely 20 to 30 minutes of walk, it can do miracle to the rest of our day. Studies have also shown that taking regular walks also reduces the risk of heart diseases in the adults. It also helps keep the blood sugar level on check. In the busy schedule of our daily lives, if we can take out some time in the morning to go for a walk and get a little closer to Mother Nature, we can feel a beautiful fresh atmosphere which has not yet been polluted. The serenity gives a peace of mind, but mostly it helps us stay fit and energetic all the time. Now I will mention a few words that you might pronounce in a wrong way, so keep that in check. Number 1 will be metabolism. It is not metabolism, it is metabolism. Okay. The next one is lethargic. It's not lethargic, it is lethargic. The next one I would suggest is miracle. It's miracle. It is not miracle, it is miracle. Okay. The fourth one I would go for is just a minute. Schedule. It is not schedule, it is schedule. Okay. These few words just keep in mind when you're reading the essay or when you're learning, because you tend to pronounce it wrong, and pronouncing it wrong gives you the wrong spelling in your copy and gives me more scope to do the corrections and fill your copy with red marks. Serenity. It is given in the second last line, serenity. Okay. Keep these words, make a column in your copy or in your rough copy, make a list of these words, try to pronounce it properly with syllable divisions, so that while writing the spelling when you're learning, it is not a problem. Okay. I hope I have been successfully explaining you this essay now. Take care of yourself, help your mother at home. Till then, until next time, thank you.